Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how to add face unlock in your Huawei Mate 10 Lite or version without Lite. Operation is quite simple to do. You go to settings and search for option face unlock. Right here I have a pin on my phone for the password, and if you doesn't have a pin, the phone will you ask to add a new pin for the phone, and let's go do this. After that, please take continue, allow, and prepare to take screen of your face. Just look on your phone. Okay, it's done. And now let's try this. The phone see me on this corner. Let's gonna take on the right side, recognize face. Phone doesn't see me. There's a lock. Take on me. Voila. Phone is working. As you see, it doesn't work. Let's take in front of me. This works perfect. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and see you by next video. Hey!